Alright, we're over the construction site for the second flight of the Pitts Python from Dynam. I got a short flight in it with it yesterday. It was windy as heck, and the battery hatch cover came off, so I think it'd do anything fun. So I think I resolved that problem, and brought the radio glove this time. So I'm gonna warm hands. Radio glove. Look at that butt wiggle. Wow, it's huge. Oh, hang on, I want to do something on my radio glove. Getting a draft. Radio glove has Velcro to tighten the hands, the arms up. I'm going to do that. There we go. And she's up. Look at that roll. Pretty quick. Wow. Snap all day long. I'll slow her down. Huh, it's doing good. Oh, spin. Somewhat of a flat spin. Makes a nice noise. Oh, hear the ice cracking under my feet. It's fine, good. I'm liking it. How about a big loop? Those nice big loops. Wow, I'm impressed. It's still not a Sukhoi or anything like that. Oh, cracking ice under my feet again. Yeah, I think she's got pretty much unlimited vertical. Flat spin, and not really at that time. Big plane coming this way low. Inverted is pretty good. Only a little bit of down or up, still reverted. see, looks like a Airbus over that way. I don't know if you can see it or not. Bring it for a high-speed pass. That's full speed. Then straight up. I think it's alright. I like it. I'm happy with it. Got it at a good price. The prices always are good. Hence being a good price. Yeah, I didn't like that one. Too far away. Oh, nosed it over. Partly because I got a 3300 4S shoved all the way to the front on it. But no, that's the Dynam Pits. I'm happy. It's a good plane. Definitely seen more of this. It's cold. Brr. Okay, well, gotta go get another plane to fly. Ciao for now.